Hi, I'm Janet,
And I'm Gareth.
and we're the Port Monkeys. We're finally going to get back on a ship, and we're super excited.
So that's the reason we're coming to you with this video. One of the reasons is to tell you that we're going on 6 cruises in the next 3 months. And we're going to, the first one is just to Cabo.
And that's on Ovation of the Seas.
But it's only a 6-day cruise. And then we're going to get on the Grand Princess and take back-to-back cruises. The first one up to Alaska, 16 days, round trip from Los Angeles.
And the second one is going to be 16 days from Los Angeles to Fort Lauderdale through the Panama Canal.
Yeah, so
Yes.
we actually are going to visit a couple places in Mexico on that cruise that we've never been. Otherwise, all the Alaska ports and all the Panama Canal ports, we've been and made videos, but look for the new videos.
Then we're going to fly to Milan, Italy.
Milan, Italy, and stay with some friends for a few days. They live near Milan.
Then we're going to head to Barcelona, where we're going to jump on the Sun Princess, finally.
You may remember last year we were supposed to be on the inaugural cruise, and they called a couple days before and said it's canceled. And then we were going to be on the second inaugural cruise, and they called a few days before and said it's canceled after I redid everything. So, but third time's a charm, right?
Yes. We will be sailing on the Sun through Europe, in the Mediterranean, from Barcelona, Athens, Rome, Santorini, Gibraltar.
Mykonos, we're going to go to Ephesus, Kusadasi in Turkey, which we've never been. Bar, Montenegro, we've never been to. So we're kind of excited to be on the Sun Princess finally. It's Princess's, right now, newest, biggest ship ever. The Star Princess is coming out here in another month or so. We are not sailing on the Star
Yet.
although we will be sailing the Sun through the Mediterranean, all through it, from Turkey to Gibraltar. In fact, we go to Cadiz, Spain, which is on the Atlantic coast of Spain. It's the seaport for Seville, I think, or Sevilla, and which we've already been to, but not Cadiz. And then sailing back here, to Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale.
So total 70-something days, not contiguous. We get like 3 or 4 day breaks between each chunk of cruises. But we'll be pretty busy. So what we want to emphasize, mention, ask, we go live every day from the ships. Maybe you know that, maybe you don't. Every single day on a cruise, we at least try to go live. Sometimes the Wi-Fi is not up to par.
And sometimes we're in a port, as opposed to being on the ship, but still going live.
Yeah, so we plan on going live from the ship every day or from whatever port we're in. Normally it happens around 6 p.m. California time, Pacific Daylight Time.
That way our family is able to watch after they get home from work.
Yeah. Once we're in Europe, though, there's 8, 9, 10-hour time difference, depending on which port we're in, 7. So 6 p.m. California time may not be possible. We don't know till we're there and see which ports we're in, but we are going to go live from the ports. Remember, you can always watch the live videos after the fact. You don't have to watch them live. Every live video we've ever made, I'm pointing at my computer, is on YouTube.
On our Port Monkeys channel.
But the good thing about watching us live is that then you can ask us questions right then and we can answer. A lot of people, when we're on a certain ship, they say, oh, say hi to, the captain for us. Say hi to Jimmy and good spirits at sea, and we do.
We actually had a young lady that asked us if we could put a note on her mom's cabin door and say happy birthday, which we did.
And we did. So, yeah. Now, we also had some kid when we were in Moorea 2 years ago ask us to jump off our balcony. We're not going to do that. So, I don't think he watches anymore. Anyway, mainly because we didn't jump off the
But we'll
balcony.
also be able to show you our cabins, which will be anything from an inside cabin to a balcony. So,
Anything and everything.
yep.
We just put a bid in for a ocean view obstructed because we're on the
Second cruise.
On the second and third cruise, we have an inside cabin booked, but then you bid on Princess and other cruise lines. Remember, the first cruise is on Royal Caribbean, and then the next 5 are all on Princess.
The Grand Princess and the Sun Princess.
Yeah. So when we're going live, we actually walk around, the ship. We give a ship tour. We do this deck or that deck one day, and our cabin one day, and the buffet one day, and so on and so forth. So if you have any requests, just send them to our email.
And they're usually about 15, 20 minutes long.
We go live for, between 15 minutes,
30 minutes. maybe.
30 minutes. I mean, we've gone longer and we've gone shorter. Sometimes we get cut off. If we get cut off suddenly, we will immediately go live again. So if that happens,
Stay tuned.
yeah, stay tuned, I guess.
Well, like I said, we're very excited. We hope you watch. If you get the chance, tell your friends. We appreciate it.
See Europe with us. See Alaska with us. We may go live the entire time through the Panama Canal. But we'd have to be out on deck unless we get a balcony cabin. But we'll probably be out on deck anyway.
So from our home, I'm Janet,
And I'm Gary.
and we'll see you in the next port. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Janet,
And I'm Gary.
and we're the Port Monkeys. We're finally going to get back on a ship, and we're super excited.
So that's the reason we're coming to you with this video. One of the reasons is to tell you that we're going on 6 cruises in the next 3 months. And we're going to, the first one is just to Cabo and Ensenada.
That's on Quantum of the Seas.
Say that again, but say Ovation of the Seas.
I can't read you right. And that's on Ovation of the Seas.
But it's only a 6-day cruise.